go through 3 stages for its oil to run. It has to go through the shaking, the beating, and the pressing. And just like the olive, some of you may have felt like you've gone through the shaking, the beating, and the pressing. You went through all of that for your oil to flow. Now your greater is coming. If it had not been for the shaking, I never would have been ready for the making. No. If it had not been for the beating, I would have never knew how anointed I would be. Oh yeah. If it had not been for the pressing, I wouldn't be able to walk into my destiny. He's preparing me, preparing me, preparing me for greater. I feel a shaking in the spirit. I feel a beating in the spirit. Oh, I feel a pressing in the spirit, preparing me for greater. I feel a shaking in the spirit. Oh, I feel a beating in the spirit. Oh yeah, I feel a pressing in the spirit, preparing me for greater. If it had not been for the shaking, I never would have been ready for the making. If it had not been for the beating, if it had not been for the beating, oh, I would have known, I would have never knew how anointed I would be. If it had not been, if it had not been for the press, I wouldn't be able to walk. Yes, He's allowing it to. Oh, He's preparing me for my greater. Yeah, I feel a shaking in the spirit. I feel a beating. I feel a beating in the spirit. I feel a pressing. Oh yeah, yeah. He's preparing me for greater. Yes, He is. I feel a shaking. Oh yes, yes I do. I feel a beating. I feel a pressing. Oh yeah, He's preparing me for greater. Yes, oh. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivered them out of them all. Because your greater is coming. Greater is coming. Wanna let you know, greater is coming. Yeah, greater. Yes, it is. Said I know that my greater is coming. Can you just lift your hand and say, greater is coming. Eyes haven't seen, ears haven't heard. My greater is coming. My greater is coming. I feel a shaking in the spirit. God knows. Feel a beating in the spirit. I feel a pressing in the spirit, preparing me for greater. It's coming, it's coming. Oh, my greater is coming. Oh yeah, my greater is coming. Yes it is, yes it is. I believe, I feel it. I know that I know it's coming. Greater anointing. the shaking. Thank you for the beating. Thank you for the pressing. Because I know my greater is coming. My greater is coming. You're pulling me through. And you're preparing me. You're preparing me for greater. Oh, my greater is already here. My greater is already here. Oh, I'm walking into a new season. Oh, it's a new season.